Welcome back, guys. My name is Mohanad and you are watching MFA. So guys, in this video I will show you how to create a business account on Instagram. So guys, for knowing that, you have to watch this video until the end and don't skip, or if you don't subscribe, please subscribe and like the video. So friends, you have to go to your Instagram. आपको अपने Instagram पे जाना है. After that you have to go to your account main page and then select three dots. After selecting that, you have to go to your setting. After going there, you have to go to your account. आपको आपके account पे जाना है and then you have to go to here, switch to professional account. After selecting that, you have to go to your business and continue. Then you have to select your category, editor or anything can. I want editor, and then here you have to write your email, your phone number and your business address. Business address is optional, you can add. Main thing is your number and your email. So उसके बाद दोस्तों आपको नेक्स्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट होने के बाद ये एक्सप्लोर सिमिलर अकाउंट्स. आपके जैसे बहुत एडिटर होंगे, अगर आप उनको फॉलो करना है तो फॉलो करें. इफ़ यू वांट टू फॉलो देम, यू कैन फॉलो देम. देन यू हैव टू गो टू नेक्स्ट. आफ्टर डूइंग नेक्स्ट, if you want to connect to this page, this business account in Facebook, you can connect, but I don't know, want to connect now, so I don't connect to Facebook now. After that, your page now is ready. So your business account now is ready. See here, you can see here 25 profile visited last 7 days, and then you can see here the messages that you have, primary and general. So friends, and if you want to go back to your personal account, you can go from here three dots and go to setting, and then here you have to go to your account जाना है and then switch to my personal account. Switch back. Now here is your personal account. So guys, if you like this video, please like it and leave a comment, like and subscribe.